All right, everybody. Well, it's back. It's Wednesday night. It's about 7:15, and it's time to cook some dinner. So on my stove, I'm going to be making some. I have them right here. I'm going to be making the buttery home-style mashed potatoes from the Idahoan, and then I've got a small can of green beans from Walmart here. So we're going to have some. I'm going to just heat up these beans and have these instant mashed potatoes. But the main course and the star of this show is going to be our steaks. So I'm going to bring them over here real quick and kind of bring over, and there they are right there. So there's Mark. He's going to season up these New York strips with some Grill Master brown sugar bourbon seasoning. And we're going to get those nice and seasoned, and then we're just going to swing over here and we're just going to throw them on this amazing charcoal grill right there. So it's getting those charcoals nice and ready for these steaks. So when I start the stove, I'll bring you back, kind of show you what I'm doing, and my stuff's pretty simple, but Mark's the grill master, so he's going to go ahead and get those steaks on there pretty quick. So let me show you when he does that, and then show you the grill mat he's going to use, and we'll be having some steaks tonight. Alright, so Mark got these grill mats that he puts over top of the grill here at the campground, because sometimes these things look a little rough. So he's got this nice grill mat right on there. We got the charcoal going. We got the seasoned steaks on the grill. He's gonna sear those up. He's got his meat thermometer, so we're gonna have perfect New York strip steaks tonight. And then I'm gonna head over to my stove again and just work on those potatoes and heating up those green beans. Nothing special there, but it's gonna be a really good meal. So I'll kind of show it. Actually, show you when I'm kind of just doing my stuff on the stove, and basically when it's all done. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Science Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciencescientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box. All right, everybody, so I've got the green beans in my Pathfinder canteen cook set, the canteen with the lid on it, so the green beans are just going to heat up in there. It won't take long. Then I've got my seatosummit pot right here. Let me see if I can put on my headlamp so you can kind of get a little bit better view. I got my seatosummit pot right here, and I've got the lid on, so I'm waiting for that water to boil. Once the water boils, I simply add those potatoes. You've all probably seen that before in other videos, and then as soon as these beans start boiling, just turn that down and just heat them up. And then Mark's over there. He just pulled the steaks from the grill. They're resting, so we should be good to go for dinner tonight. So once this is all done, again, I'll show you that final product. So we'll just add the potatoes. That won't take long. We'll be sitting over here having a nice meal. So stay tuned. All right, everybody. So Mark cooked these perfectly good New York strip steaks that you can see there. I've got my potatoes. We got a little bit of can of green beans. Mark's putting butter on his green beans and potatoes right now. So we are just going to sit down and eat. I mean, heating up the green beans is nothing. Adding them instant mash to boiling water. Nothing really too much to show you there. But right now, it's just time to sit and eat. So just kind of showing you more about what we're doing here at the campground before we go take our intro to survival class. And we're just getting this meal done. So tomorrow we'll be doing our standard pork roll, egg, and cheese. So we'll have that video for you. And, if you just kind of like what you're seeing as we're camping, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And we'll have another video for you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.